Hello, 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 everyone. It is Saturday night breaks with Wax Zone. You got my goggles on too?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. What's up, Tyler? What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining us. We have coming up break 542, 3 boxes of Panini Contenders football. So let's read some names here. 542. Here we go, everyone. Arizona goes to Kialo, David J. with the Falcons, Jacob A. with the Ravens, Jason S. with the Bills, Nathan R. with the Panthers, Barbara G. with the Bears, Alan A. with the Bengals, Curtis M. with the Browns, Jesus with the Cowboys, Fred V. with the Broncos, Matthew C. Lions, Nathan R. with the Packers, Texans, and Colts, John B. Jaguars, Terry T. Chiefs, Sean G. Raiders, Kyle F. Chargers, Raul P. with the Rams, Dolphins going to Rodney, Zach T. with the Vikings, Ryan B. Patriots, Harold C. Saints, John B. Giants, David W. Jets, John B. Eagles, Stacy K. Steelers, Brandon F. 49ers, Zachary E. Seahawks, Darren I. with the Buccaneers, Stacy K. with the Titans, and John K. with the Commanders. Stacy, that was the first time I have ever not capitalized someone's name. It took me 542 breaks, but I finally screwed up. So sorry, Stacy. Here we go. Let's get the show on the road.
What's up, Alex? How are you?
What's up, man?
Tyler, how you doing, sir?
Let's go. Get some football. How's everybody's week? I don't know where you're located, but here in the Chi-Town, we had an amazing, gorgeous weather. We had 70s and 80s, which is kind of rare for us in April. So we were certainly spoiled. It was very nice. What up, Sean?
Good luck, Sean.
We're looking for 6. Sorry, not 6. 5. I got spoiled the last time we had 6 autos. We had 5 autos. That's what we're looking for. 5 per box. I think last week, though, we had 6 a couple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now Toronto's out and the Bulls are out. So now we have no reason to watch basketball except for the beautiful Memphis Grizzlies that we're all going to cheer on to win the whole thing, right? Right?
Yes, we are.
Yeah. We gotta root for someone. Dallas is out.
Is there any gum in these bags?
No gum. Now DeRozan daughter can go back. Oh, stop it. He can't get over the DeRozan daughter thing.
Awesome.
The fact that you guys got shook by a grade school girl. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Yeah, we're looking good. All right. Season. What we got here? We got power player Nick Bolton.
All card ship, you guys.
Yes, all card ship. We got Aaron Jones, playoff ticket number to 199 for Green Bay Packers. 85, I think. 85 of 199. There you go. We got a game day ticket of John Elway. Mario Goodrich is our first auto, rookie ticket auto for Philadelphia. There you go.
You good?
I just got to adjust the lighting for a second here. I think it just been moved and there you go. Pardon moi. Gladiator, Jonathan Taylor. What are you laughing at? I got to practice my French. Patty Mahomes winning ticket. David Ojabo, nice, to 99 playoff ticket. Very nice. 46 of 99 playoff ticket auto. Stephon Diggs and Josh Allen touchdown tandem. Rookie of the year, Alec Pierce, apparently. Josh Allen, game day. And Christian Harris, the 25, very nice. 22 to 25, Christian Harris, championship ticket auto for Houston. Nice hit, Nathan. Okay, a little delayed, but good. I'll take it. Let's see. We got one of these again. San Francisco and Dallas. Then we're gonna have to randomize that unless we get another one. All right. Trying to wake me up.
Wake you up, man.
We got shook by Max Strush. Yeah, probably. Watching the Kings. Gotcha, Sean. All right, let's see what we got here. Damian Pierce on card auto. Very nice. There you go. Houston again hitting. There you go, Nathan. He said,
Damn you, Tyler.
legendary Brady. He's coming after you, man.
I know, yeah.
Gladiators, Rob Gronkowski, Isaiah Likely, horizontal rookie ticket auto for Baltimore, Jacob A. MVP, Jalen Hurts. The supernatural Josh Allen. Steelers Chiefs, we got, who is this? Round numbers, George Pickens and Sky Moore. Kansas City and, let's see, Kansas City was Terry T. Pittsburgh Stacy. Okay, so it's another one. Pittman and Ryan. Rookie of the Year contender Aiden Hutchinson. Power player Ed Reed for Baltimore. And legendary Deion Sanders. We get our 5?
Yeah.
All right, box 2.
If any of you are in live watching now, waiting for the Court Kings break, we do have a delay on that, so we will not be breaking that till Monday, but we'll still break something for you tonight regardless. We have a shipping issue with that, so it's supposed to arrive on Wednesday. UPS, unfortunately, we missed UPS, and we've been chasing it down, so now we have to wait till Monday for that to arrive to us. So we will reach out to all of you individually on eBay to let you know, to confirm, but they're telling us it will be delivered to us on Monday, but tonight we'll still do something for you guys for the inconvenience. So,
Little extra free stuff, little basketball free stuff tonight. Just to, you were expecting to see a break, so you'll see a break, but we'll still do the court team. My friend Dennis says you're slapping those cards down too hard. He also likes the Bears. Okay, well, I think it's the camera and the thing is up here. I mean, I don't know what, how much. I mean, it would take me a long time to go. But I'll do my best.
you know, just kidding.
I mean,
John, you know what's funny?
I think John must have been the guy that wrote that stuff on.
John, you must have read some of the comments we received, or I guess feedback or whatever it was.
Somebody said,
So
slammed those cards so hard.
So we're a little hypersensitive when someone says.
Yeah, I'm like, we actually had a mic over here. You can't see it. It was just off camera, but it was right by the thing. And we actually got rid of that mic because it was picking up every time I hit the table. And so it sounded like I was slamming the cards. So now that you said it, I'm like, oh, son of a bitch. I mean, anyway, power players, Nick Bosa. Jake Ferguson, Cowboys to 49, 47 to 49. Is he signed as Ferg? Playoff ticket, auto, Dallas. He said I used to like those. You like my ASMR slaps? Josh Allen, MVP. Game day ticket, Dan Marino.
Oh, shit. CPU is 200.
200?
100.
I was going to say, I can't hit 200. That's not possible. All right, we got Josh Allen and Jalen Ramsey this time. So we got Buffalo and Rams. Buffalo's Jason S. and Rams were Raul. So another one of those. Rookie of the Year contender, Isaiah Pacheco. DeAndre Swift, game day ticket. Winning ticket, Mr. Travis Kelce, to go with Patty Mahomes. Gladiator number to 25. There you go. Bo Jackson. Very nice. Bo Jackson for the Raiders. 8 of 25. Nice low numbered Raiders. Sean G. There you go, Sean. And Anthony Munoz for the Bengals. And by the way, the Bears. TJ Watt, power player. I'm glad he's a Bears fan. MVP, Derek Carr, contender. Zachary Carter, rookie ticket for the Bengals. Alan A. I don't know. Game day ticket. Ricky Williams, old school. Ricky Williams. Legendary Dallas Cowboy, Herschel Walker. Power player, Jonathan Taylor. Kobe Bryant, rookie ticket for Seattle. Zachary E. Gladiator J.J. Watt, Cardinals. Christian Watson, Rookie of the Year contender for Green Bay. Supernatural Drake London, Atlanta. Troy Anderson for Atlanta, auto. We got the Giants and the Jets. Sauce and Thibodeau. So that's going to go, let's see, that's going to be randomized again. Oh, nice. Aiden Hutchinson on Carr. That's a good hit. There you go, Detroit. Matthew M. I'm sorry, Matthew C. Don't know why I said M. On card Aiden auto. Nice hit. Very nice. And Michael Vick, legendary. That was a good hit. All right, last box.
Five.
5 and 5. All right, maybe we'll get one this time. All right, so see if we can finish strong here. That Aiden was nice. How about we get like a Pickett, or I don't know what else we're looking for.
Cracked.
What's that?
Cracked ice.
Oh, the cracked ice. Let's do it. Let's get it on. You get any payments for the soccer? We're still waiting. I'm gonna be.
Are you
Yes.
holding the Black Eyed Peas?
Yeah, singing, baby.
Wow. That we heard last night?
No, I don't know what I heard last night, dude. I can't remember. My head's still ringing. Obviously, my voice is not even 100%.
Your voice is so deep today.
Yeah, because I was obviously too loud screaming at the bar. There was karaoke too, so I didn't sing, but I'm sure I sang along. Just not.
Oh, Lord.
You and your naps. All right, let's go. Let's finish strong. Good luck, everyone. Power player of Mr. J.J. Watt. What up, Colton? Anything coming for Rams in the late? Not quite. Not quite. Trent McDuffie, Kansas City. Rookie ticket. Charles Woodson, legendary. Backwards for no reason. We got Adrian Peterson, game day ticket. There's Drake London. Come on, I thought it was an auto. Backwards, you son of a Atlanta. This is going to be one of those boxes. All right. Marcus Jones, auto for New England. Ryan B. Power player A.J. Dillon. Bastard, I thought it was an auto. It's like Saquon, contender, MVP. Just like this, Tyler Algier, really? Rookie contender.
Tyler, do you get overtime?
Peyton Hendershot for Dallas. And we got touchdown tandem Cousins and Jetta. Legendary Jerry Rice.
You wrote laugh out loud though. What? How do they pay you? Pay per pack or per case? Per day? You're on salary, so it sucks.
So first time for Colton ever breaking or just breaking with us, Jim Kelly? Avery Williams for Atlanta. James Cook, Rookie of the Year, contender. Gladiator, Jason Peters for the Cowboys. And we have Bills, Colts, round numbers. Bills, Jason, Colts, Nathan. Looks like we'll have to do some randomizing.
Yeah, we will.
And a nice playoff ticket, Kyle Pitts for Atlanta. That's out of 199, 31 of 199. Got it. And a supernatural Kenny Pickett. There's a nice horizontal playoff ticket for the Chicago Bears. Barbara, 29 of 49. On card, Velus Jones Jr. There you go. Lamar MVP. Game day ticket of Jonathan Taylor. Kennedy Brooks is playoff ticket, 85 of 99.
It's number 6.
This one's number 6? Oh, so we got an extra auto in this box. Playoff ticket, Kennedy Brooks. Justin Jetta, winning ticket. And a Gladiator of Mean Joe Green. All right, let's review those numbers and autos. Here we go. Again, for Atlanta, we have out of 199, Kyle Pitts, playoff ticket. We had a nice Bo Jackson, low number to 25 for the Raiders. We had a nice Aaron Jones for Green Bay out of 199. And our autos, let's take a look. We got Troy Anderson, Kobe Bryant for Seattle, Jake Ferguson for Dallas out of 49, Zachary Carter, Isaiah Likely for Baltimore. We got Mario Goodrich for Eagles, David Ojabo for Baltimore out of 99, the horizontal out of 25, Christian Harris for Houston, Dameon Pierce on card for Houston, Atlanta Avery Williams, Peyton Hendershot for Dallas, Marcus Jones for New England, KC, Trent McDuffie, Velus Jones Jr. for the Bears out of 49, Kennedy Brooks out of 99 for Philly, and Aiden Hutchinson on card for Detroit. All right, that was break 542. We'll be right back with 5. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I forgot. We have to randomize this stuff. So, my bad. I gotta get my piece of paper.
All right, guys. So we'll try to do this as quick as possible. So every single card that had the duplicate players or 2 different players, 2 different teams, we'll randomize it between those 2 teams. So the first one will be Bills, Colts. We'll roll 2 dice. The number we'll use for each individual card. So whatever comes up, we will go 3, 5, 8 times. So we're gonna go 8 times every single time, you guys. Top team after 8 for this one will get this card. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't get my thoughts together, geez. And then 8. So Colts for this one up top.
Jets, Giants.
Jets, Giants. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Giants.
Bills, Rams.
Bills, Rams, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bills.
Steelers, Chiefs.
Hold on.
Two
I
easy.
did. All right, 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. Chiefs up top.
And finally, 49ers and Cowboys.
Eight times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cowboys 8 times.
All right, everyone. We'll be back in a few minutes.